Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is about NIO and how we had an amazing day today. We're going to talk about what NIO did today, how it played out, and areas I'm looking at. Now before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe, and it really does help my channel grow. Now thank you for all the support. All y'all been giving me lately is truly appreciated, and I have a free Discord server in the description below if you want to join there and chat with me about the stock market. We're very active and we post charts pretty much throughout the whole day. And I do offer a membership program where it's a private live stream that I do every single night in the description below if you're interested in that as well. Now let's get right into the video and talk about NIO. So NIO was up $1.71 today, or at the time of this recording, but we did hit highs of all the way at 49, around 49.65.54 area. Now this move was very important. I talked about this in my previous video, and I talked about on this live stream that I did. We had to push up. Now we were breaking down, we were consolidating. We actually had a huge dip buy this morning from NIO. So if you were able to capitalize on that huge dip buy, congratulations. The important thing though that happened today, and why I draw these levels and why they're so important, is we push up to this pink resistance line. I talked about in my previous video that this pink resistance line was going to be a resistance, so we needed to watch out for what was going to happen around this area. And that area is at 48.31. So earlier today, we blasted right through that, and look where we got rejected at, guys. My next resistance level, which is at 49.37. So I'm charting these areas out for you guys because they're very important, and you need to keep an eye out for them, just because we know that each time we hit these levels, they're either support levels or resistance levels. If they're resistance levels, we have to watch them to see if we get rejected, and if not, we blast right through them. That's what we did for this pink line at 48.31, and then we got rejected right at this blue line at 49.37. So we know that these are important levels that we need to keep an eye on. Now, what do I think is going to happen with NIO tomorrow? So there's a couple things. Right now, we know that we got rejected by the area at 49.37, but we're barely holding support at 48.31. So this pink line is now acting as a support. It's no longer acting as a resistance. So typically, old resistances become new support as we continue this uptrend. So NIO, it needs to hold 48.31. If we don't hold 48.31, then we'll probably continue to downtrend a little bit. And then where I'm looking for another buying opportunity is probably around the 46 range. Now, tomorrow, let's say NIO is bullish. If we're bullish on NIO, we really need to blast through this 49.37 resistance, because if we don't, we'll keep getting rejected and fall down. So if you're bullish on NIO tomorrow, we need to pass through this resistance and really hit that 50 barrier. Now, NIO may have a red day tomorrow, so don't panic. If you're an investor and you got in over here, at the $46, $47 range, and even at the $50 range, relax, calm down. NIO is going to return. You already seen that we hit lows of $39 last week, and we're already starting to recover. This is exactly what you want to see, and we're starting this breakout scenario. So your main focus on NIO tomorrow is, do we hold support at 58.31? If we don't, then we're going to be bearish tomorrow. We're going to fall down and probably find support around this area near the 46.45 area. Now, if we're bullish tomorrow, that means that we have to get above 49.37 and hold above it. We don't need to get above it and then come crashing down. We need to make sure that we are able to hold above that area. So that's the two scenarios I'm going to be looking at for NIO tomorrow. I'm going to be looking at, do we hold support at 48.31, or do we get rejected and fall back down through? Now, if you're in NIO, you got in at the 44 range, the 40 range, whatever it may be, and you're just trading NIO, what I recommend, guys, is continue to move that stop loss up. So as we continue to push up, move your stop loss up, because if we do get a pullback, then you can go ahead and take profit. Now, if you're an investor, don't worry about moving your stop loss up, because you're in this for the long term. You're looking to hold this for the longer term, so you don't have to worry about that stop loss. But I know there are people out there that watch my videos that trade NIO as well, and I know there's investors that watch my video. So either way, guys, the levels that I chart out are beneficial to both, because you're an investor, you can look at areas to buy more, or if you're a trader, you can look at areas to buy and look for where to put your stop loss at and all of that. So I hope that I help both sides of the investing world. I help the investors, and I also help the traders. So guys, with NIO tomorrow, we need to get above this blue line, which is at 49.37, and then we can have the talks about hitting all-time highs. Now, a resistance I'll be looking at if we do get above 49.37 is this area right over here. Let me chart that out for you. So an area I'm going to be looking at is 52.77. So that's the next area I'll be looking at if we do get above 49.37. But in order for me to look at this level, we have to get above 49.37. So tomorrow, we're going to just play this one level at a time, guys. Just take it slow, see how we're reacting around these levels that I have charted out, and we'll see what to do. Now, if you would like my charts, you'd like to copy my exact charts, I do offer that in the membership program. So if you want to join my membership program, you'll get access to my charts and you can get all of these levels right here. So that's something to keep in mind if you do want to join my program, so I can help you on a more personal basis. But either way, guys, we had an amazing day on NIO. I hope everyone had a nice profit day today, and I will see you all in the next video.